Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is June 7th, 2023. It's 9:07 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. Let's start taking a look at the futures this morning. And what do we see here? Everything looks like it's just in the green, right flat. That'll be kind of interesting. I think we might do a spike up and then fire down today. We'll find out the way it's setting up. But let's go look at the news first. Okay, so we know it's green here. NASDAQ, oil, 10-year, merger with PGA, CNN firing the next president. U.S. car prices are falling in sales as high interest rates. So interest rates are still going up. So she's not surprised for more bank consolidation. So markets growing up, but the banks are consolidating. Whatever. Futures did take a nice bullish run for a little while, so we know that. So let's take a look at the economic calendar. The economic calendar states pretty much just the oil reports. So nothing major, so it could be calm. Markets look like it says it's mixed there, a little bullish there. Okay. That's all I want to see right now. And then what we'll do is I'm going to bring over the 4-hour and the daily chart so we can see exactly what the chart is forming up. So it looks like since the buy phase, we on the sell phase it actually did an inverse and it just took off like crazy. So for phase 1 and phase 2 it kept on taking off. Now it's at its holding pattern. And we're getting close to, in a couple of weeks, I have a feeling, well, we don't know, we'll find out. By corporate earnings in June 21st, then we'll start seeing if the market's still going to run up or we're going to finally get a pullback. So we're getting close to that area. Because here is March 21st. Let's say it's 18th, I bet you. This will be the 18th. Let's see where we are here. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 16th, 17th, 18th. So that's the quarter right here. So they took off just beforehand, just a few days beforehand, but then it's been running up for that quarter. Okay, and then if we look back in December, here's December 21st. See, here's 21st. This was first quarter to second quarter. Now this is the next quarter. So they've been making a lot of money, so I presume there might be a pullback for cashing out. We don't know yet. Okay. So right now they're quite flat, and you can see we got 3 push-up wicks, but it's kind of, let's do that for now. See where the volume point of control is. And the volume point of control looks like it's at 500 level. Does that say 500? Let me just open this up a little bit more so we can really take a look here. 590 looks like. 590, 611 to 538. So that's the big region that they've been playing around with. Okay, so we know that. Okay, well, let's delete that. Whoops. Let's just delete that. And then let's go to the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, the 4-hour chart is flattening off, but then we got an order block here. So let's put our little mini region always by the order blocks. There's order block 1. So at 300 level, so we got 300 point drop if it does go that way. And then next order block again here. That would probably be relevant because it's touching. And then the third order block right there. And we had another one right at this zone here. So could be for sure 500 you got to watch out for. That's a psychological level for 100 points going down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this chart away. Let's move this chart across. Okay, and you can see, let's go Fibonacci retracement just for fun. See from the bottom of the London session to the top of the US session. So it looks like we're right between 2 market makers at 50% pullback right here. See? A couple of market makers, so they're still playing the proper games. And 38%, look at this, right on the line here. if it is a continuation. So we know that. And then what we'll do is we're going to put a horizontal line here, a horizontal line here, and a horizontal line there. And a horizontal line there for continuation. It does state around 948. We'll find out. Let's see if I can put that as a marker. Let's put it to 948. Oh, it's really close. Let's put it 8. And let's put it on all charts. And let's see if there's going to be a turnaround at that time. So we'll know at 948 on all NASDAQ charts to see if this is going to be a peak or a valley. And then we can see if it does going to kick off or not within that zone. So we're done with that chart. And we're good to go. Let me see which one this one is. Yeah, we're good to go. Let's move that across. We don't need that chart anymore. I'll delete that baby. And then what we'll do, we're all set up. And then when market opens, we'll close this. We don't need this anymore. When market opens, we will see how our market's going to run. And we can play with the 5-second chart once again for fun. See if we can get a couple of trades in. And we can go from there. Let's just check out how yesterday went. That was those trades that we did. No, was that 2 days ago? Yeah, that was our yesterday's trade. So we fired up and we were done right away, right off the bat. Alrighty. And I will be back at market open. Alrighty. We are good to go. We're going to see which direction the market wants to push. We're going to go against the trend at 1592. We'll get ready here. We're going to see. Let me see here. How many seconds before the open? We've got 12 seconds. So I'm going to set ready for sell market. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see if it goes up or down. Look at it goes up. We have to find out which direction it is. She's popping up. We'll find out if it goes pop up again. Just get this set up. It's always the first bar that we have to figure out. Alrighty, let's go for it.
Order filled.
See if we can make it at least. Let's see if we can get up to our zone here.
Order submitted.
There we go. See if we can get a quick 5-10 points here. 8, 9, 11.
Order filled.
10.50 once again, $210 first thing in the morning. And that's why with the 5-second chart, actually I thought it was supposed to go down, but we'll find out. Let's see if it was just a major impulse move going up. We hit our zone of interest right away. So we're 1625 to 1628. Wow, she's really cruising. I did not expect that at all. I expected the opposite direction personally, guys. And well, we got her $210 first thing in the morning. Now let's see. We'll just give it a few minutes to see if this peaks out, because this is an area of interest. We are at a quarter. And then if it keeps on going up, then I'll have to wait. Son of a gun. Let's see where we are. We are really rocketing up. 1632, 1635 at 1650. Yeah, I gotta wait now. That was one crazy push-up. If we break 1660, it's going to be a runner. So we'll just wait and see. And we'll go from there. At the 50 marker, let's go At the 50 marker, let's click on this. At the 50 marker, we have to watch out. Usually it bounces around 50, 52, then comes back, but we're at 60 is a resistance marker. So at 60 this is the area where I'm concerned the most. If it gets to that zone, then we'll know for sure. We are at a resistance level. Let it push down. We went up 2,000 contracts within 2 minutes, so it really did a big push here. This could be just, you know, those fake outs. Okay, this is the area I have to watch out for. If she blasts through, then we can keep on going. Alrighty, and then F6 here. Do it again. Let's see if the pullback is strong enough. This is what I'm going to watch out for. There it goes. There's a big pullback. This is my resistance level right here at the 60 level. If she pushes down or if she starts breaking through, then we can keep on going. I just wonder if this is the peak that they wanted, but if we break this level, I'll continue on. So I'm going to hit buy market right away.
Order filled.
Now let's keep on going.
Order filled.
And we're done for today, $330 at the next supply zone. Now, in conclusion, this is what I did, and I'll show you exactly what I was looking for. We have the charts that I was showing you: support and resistance, hitting order blocks. We hit the peak just within a few ticks. It could keep on going. I'm surprised it actually took off up actually. Okay, I thought it was going to go down. And let's move this across. With the 5 second chart, I was looking at, you know, I told you a few days ago about price, volume, and time. Okay, so with the 5 second chart, I look for 5 or 10 points for scalping. If I, you know, especially I'm doing NASDAQ at 5 points a tick, so you can go like crazy. So I'm looking at my support and resistance. That's on my main chart. Because this was such a big volume spike in the beginning, usually when you have a big volume spike, you can get a second round at it. And it still might keep on going here. We have 12 greens, 7 reds, okay? We hit that point. We blasted right through the 30 zone. But when I was making my support and resistance levels, I wanted to see if she bounced here. It bounced on 4, came back, and she tried to blast again. And so they're still playing. So we had one aggressive move, second aggressive move. See these green lines here? And the third aggressive move. I still think we're right in that kind of a sticky zone that this could be the spike for the crash. So I'm going to watch out for that. And then when that happens, where's my... There you go. See how we're curling off now? I said we're just going to peak out to this line. So right now we're at that peak. It still could keep on going up. But see, we had a lot of volume pushing, right? Tons of volume pushing. And so I kept on seeing my yellow candles going up and up. So I said, okay, very first, let me see here. Our first 5 seconds, we hit our first target. And this was range here, ruler. So in and out, right from there, 25 seconds. Then our second move, just really quickly to make a few more points, because I didn't expect it was going to keep on going that fast. another 10 seconds. So basically 2 trades in 35 seconds for $330. And you know, that's what is it? If you do that every day, that's over 60,000 US a year. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at abc123trade, or just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.